Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my garden. Today we're gonna remove these Callaloo and get the place ready to transplant new ones. You see, these are already bolted. As I say, when they start to bolt, you cannot salvage the plant, and all the leaves are so small. See, they produce small leaves. I will also build like a path here so I can walk through the garden, through the beds. It will take up some space, but it's all about efficiency. So I'll create a path from here, long up, so I can walk between the beds. So you see these Callaloo, they are finished. They're all bolting. In comparison to these young ones, look at this, all big. Okay, so let's go to work. So this, I will chop them up and put them on the compost heap, or maybe bury them in the ground so they will turn into compost. All of this, I have an idea. So there we have it. I have an idea. I'm gonna chop it up and feed it to the banana tree, right? So I can get fatter bananas. Look at them. Look at this. You know, since I cut the heart, they are coming up very nice. I will leave the link of the video where I cut the banana heart, so you can even watch it. So I will chop them up and feed them to the banana tree. Stay tuned. I find a diablood, plant it over just now. So So right in the middle I will build like a path just to walk. So then I will have two beds, one here and one here. On this side I will plant other things like pepper, okay, and on the left side I will plant callaloo. So let's go to work. So a very important thing is when you do gardening that you have all your tools. So this will make life easier. So I have my spade, I have my hoe, I have my cutlass, I also have a rake. So these are my garden tools for the job today. So I create it right in the middle here so I can walk up and down. Okay, and from the side okay, that is a good sweat. So I'm measuring now the wood. I'm going all by the banana tree. I don't want to disturb the roots. So here is where I would walk, and here I will do some other plants. It looks like now I work on the aesthetic beautification. That is activity that I undertake now to make my garden look more beautiful. So this is what it is now. So now I'm gonna transplant the Callaloo or Amaranth. I have a lot of seedlings here. It's here. They need to go in the ground. Seedlings there, a lot. seedlings here. In a couple of weeks I will remove them though, because I ordered the broadleaf Callaloo or Amaranth from Jamaica. Those leaves are huge. So this maybe I will go for 2 or 3 harvests, and then I will replace them with the bigger ones. Okay, beautiful people, this is what it is now. So I have my Callaloo. I also plant Callaloo here because my pepper seedlings are not big as yet, so I'll make use of the space. So look how beautiful it is now. That was a good sweat for the morning. Yes, my people, I had a good sweat. I'm soaking wet. Thanks for watching. Thanks for visiting. If you're new, please smash that subscribe button for more epic videos. The next one will be about my aloe leaves. I'm gonna transplant them. I'm gonna use a dig and a no dig technique to see which one is better. So stay tuned, and I see you in the next video.